Good morning to all. Today we see the third chapter of mathematics, that is factors and multiples. Now we already know that what is meant by factors and multiples. We learned these terms last year. First today we revise it again. See, definition of factor. The factors of a given numbers are a number. We divide the given number completely without leaving remainder. Means suppose I find the factor of 6. Okay, we I start from 1, table of 1. 1 6 are 6 means we get remainder 0. Then I divide this number by 2. We get answer is 3. 2 3s are 6 means again remainder is 0 means 1s and 2 are a factor of 6. In this way we find the factors of 4 and 8. Now we find the factor of 4. For that we see the tables. First we start from table 1. 1 4s are 4 means 1 is a factor of 4. Then 2 2s are 4 means 2 again factor of 4. 3 also there in the table of 3 there is no number. Then 3 is not a factor of 4. Then 4 ones are 4. Okay, 4 is a factor of 4. Okay, after that we get a greater number 5 6 7 8. So there is no factor of 4. Then we find the factor of 8. 8 again, one start from table of 1. 1 4 8s are 8. Okay, 1 is a factor of 8. 2 4s are 8. Yes. 3 there is no number in table. 4 2 4 4 4 2s are 8. Then 5 no. 6 again no. 7 no, but 8 ones are 8 means 8 is a factor of 8. Now say what is the factors of 8? 1 2 4 and 8. Okay, now we find the common factors. Common factors means we find first the common numbers. Which are the common numbers? Now see, 1 is a common number, again 2 also common number, then 4. Then which are the common factors? 1 2 and 4. 1 2 and 4 are common factors of 4 and 8. Now we find the highest common factor, SCF. Short form of highest common factor is SCF. Now we find the highest common factor. For that we see which is a greater number, 1 2 and 4. 4 is a greater number, so highest common factor is 4. 4 is the highest common factor of 4 and 8. Now we see the multiples. Now multiples of a number can be obtained by multiplying the given number by 1 2 3 and so on. There is no limit for multiples. See, we get limited factors, but we get there is no limit for multiples. Means we multiples have no limit. Now we find the multiples of 4. We first we multiply 4 by 1. Always we start multiplying by 1. Okay, see, 4 ones are 4. Okay, then we multiply by 2. We get 4 twos are 8. Then multiply by 3. We get 12. Then multiply by 4. We get 16. Then multiply by 5. We get 20. Multiply by 6. We get 24. Multiply by 7 we get 28. Multiply by 8 we get 32. Multiply by 9 we get 36. And when multiply by 10 we get 40. Then multiply by 11 12. There is no limit for multiples. Okay, now we find the multiples of 8. 8, see, 8 again. First we start from 1. 1 when we multiply by 1 we get 8. Then again when we multiply by 2 we get 16. When we multiply by 3 we get 24. When multiply by 4 we get 32. When we multiply by 5 we get 40. Then we multiply by 6 we get 48, and so on. Again there is no limit for the multiples of 8. Same way we find the common multiples. Common multiples means again we find the common numbers. Which are the common numbers? We find first 8. 8 is a common number. Then 16 also common number. Then 24 again common number. Then 32, yes, 32 is a common number. 40 also common number. In this way we also find lots of common number. So first we write the common multiples are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and so on. Okay, now we find the least common multiples. Least common multiples means LCM. LCM we find which is the least common multiple. C, which is the smallest number. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So 8 is the smallest number. So least common multiples of 4 and 8 is 8. In this way, you find the LCM, means least common multiples.